Are you having trouble backing up your photos to Google Photos or iCloud? It's frustrating when you see your backup stuck or syncing won't happen, especially when you're relying on the cloud to keep your precious memories safe. Often the cause is simpler than you think. Sometimes it's as basic as a battery setting that stops background syncing. In this video, I'll show you how to fix common photo backup issues and get Google Photos or iCloud syncing properly again. Have you noticed your backup is stuck or showing as not completed? In a lot of cases, it's because your phone is limiting background activity to save battery. I'll guide you through how to fix it so that your photos upload seamlessly without interruptions. Stick around as we dive into the simple fix for the problem. What will be fixed? In this video, we're going to address two big problems that many people face when it comes to photo backups in 2026. Why Google Photos or iCloud backups aren't syncing properly, and how to fix the issues without losing important data. We'll focus on the most common root causes, including background activity settings, cloud storage issues, poor internet connection, outdated apps, and incorrect settings. We'll go step by step to show you how to identify and fix these problems. From syncing issues with Google Photos or iCloud to out-of-storage errors despite having available space, I'll walk you through each issue and its fix. By the end of this video, you'll have your photo backup working perfectly. You're out of storage, even with space. Here's why. Have you seen that annoying out-of-storage error? Even though your phone has plenty of space left? This happens more often than you think. The issue typically lies with cloud storage, not your device's physical storage. Whether you're using Google Photos or iCloud, both services have a limit on how much data they can store for free. If you reach this limit, your photos will stop syncing, even if you have plenty of space left on your device. I'll walk you through how to check your cloud storage, how to manage it, and how to fix this common issue so your photos can start backing up again without problems. Often, it's just a simple fix that involves freeing up space in your cloud storage or purchasing more space if you're running low. Backup stuck? It's often a battery setting. Sometimes the reason your Google Photos or iCloud Photos backup is stuck is because your phone restricts background apps to save battery. Smartphones today are smart. They automatically restrict apps running in the background to reduce power consumption. This can interfere with cloud syncing services like Google Photos and iCloud. If this is happening to you, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this by turning on the background activity for Google Photos or iCloud so that your photos can back up automatically, even when your phone is locked or in sleep mode. The fix is simple and quick. Extensions of common issues with photo backup. There are a few other common issues that can stop your photos from syncing properly. One is poor internet connectivity, which affects syncing speed and reliability. Without a strong Wi-Fi or data connection, it's almost impossible to back up your photos to the cloud. Another issue is app updates. Sometimes an outdated version of Google Photos or iCloud can cause syncing problems. Additionally, some users encounter incorrect settings that prevent cloud backup from working properly. You might think everything is set up right, but a simple setting tweak could be all it takes to get your backup back on track. These are the things we'll address step by step in this video, so you can have peace of mind knowing your photos are safely backed up in the cloud. Background activity setting for both Google Photos and iCloud. The first thing we need to address is ensuring that background activity is enabled for both Google Photos and iCloud. Background activity allows apps to continue syncing data even when the phone isn't actively being used. On both Android and iPhone, the device may stop apps from running in the background to save battery. I'll show you exactly where to find these settings on both Android and iPhone, and how to ensure that Google Photos and iCloud are allowed to sync your photos in the background, even when the screen is off or when you're not actively using the app. This setting is essential to make sure that your backups continue uninterrupted while you use your phone for other tasks. Checking cloud storage. The second issue we need to address is cloud storage. As I mentioned earlier, many users run into syncing problems because they have run out of cloud storage space. If you are using Google Photos or iCloud and you've reached your storage limit, your photos won't back up. I'll walk you through how to check your cloud storage in both Google Photos and iCloud. For Google Photos, you'll want to check how much free storage you have left in Google Drive or Google One. For iCloud, I'll show you how to check your available space directly in your device settings. We'll also cover how to free up storage by deleting unnecessary files or upgrading to a paid plan if needed. Internet connection and software updates. Another factor to consider when your backup isn't working is the internet connection. Make sure you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection when trying to upload your photos. It's easy to overlook this, but a weak or intermittent connection can cause your photos to upload slowly or not at all. Additionally, Sometimes the apps themselves need an update to function properly. If you're using Google Photos or iCloud, make sure you're running the latest version of the app. Both platforms frequently release updates with bug fixes and performance improvements that might solve syncing issues. Final fixes for photo backup issues. If you've checked everything and your photos are still not syncing, there are a few last resort fixes you can try. You can log out and log back into your Google or iCloud account to refresh the connection. Additionally, you may need to clear the cache on your Google Photos app or reset iCloud sync settings. These fixes can help resolve deeper issues that might be preventing backup from working properly. But remember, this is the last step after you've ensured that everything else is working correctly. So there you have it. The most common reasons for photo backup issues on Google Photos and iCloud include battery settings, storage limits, internet issues, and outdated apps. With the simple fixes I've shown you today, your photos should start syncing properly again, without losing any important data. Just follow the steps and check your settings and you'll be good to go. If this video helped solve your photo backup issues, make sure to like the video and subscribe to TechFix Guides for more easy-to-follow solutions. Comment below and let me know which fix worked for you, or if you encountered another issue, I'd love to hear your feedback.